see an opponent down there getting ready to stab you. Alright, we go down here and we check our weapons. Good to go. Alright. I think you got me. You were coming forward.
Keep going, guys. Let's see. You want game? You want game? No game, no game. You want game?
Did I get you?
Yes, correct.
I mean, it hit right there, but did I get you?
What was that?
I said they hit right there, but was it, did you hit me?
Oh, no, I didn't.
Okay, is that not connected?
It's not, it's okay.
Yeah, I stabbed you in the throat.
You got the point.
2-1.
Good job, guys. Good job. Keep going. Up.
Sorry.
Keep going.
1-3. 2-2. Okay. You got me that time. Why did I even move? I should have stayed there. That was some violence. That was it. That was it last week.